Hello, welcome to my channel NCERT Science and Math Concept. Here we are doing the question from class 12 physics topic dual nature of matter and radiation. The question here says the light of wavelength 412.5 nanometer is incident on the metal given below. Which one will show photoelectric emission and why? Now the metals are sodium with work function 1.92, potassium with work function 2.15, calcium with work function 3.20, molybdenum with work function 4.17, and all are in electron volt. Now the wavelength which is incident on metal surface is 412.5 nanometer. When this radiation will fall on the metal surface, it will provide energy, and if this energy that is provided is more than the work function of the metal surfaces, then the electrons will eject and there will be current. If this energy is less than work function, then no photoelectric current, no current will flow. When it is more than work function, there will be current. So here is the reason why there will be emission of electron from which surface. So now we have to calculate the energy provided by this wavelength. So energy is given by E is equals to hc by lambda, but this energy will be in joule. So we have to convert this energy in terms of electron volt because the work function is given in electron volt. So this is equals to hc upon lambda E. So H is now only the calculation part is left. So now we are doing the calculation to check which metal surface will show photoelectric current and which surface will not show photoelectric current or emission of electrons. So the value of H is 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34. Value of speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Wavelength is 412.5 nanometer. Nano means 10 to the power minus 9 meter, and E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Now doing this calculation, we get energy is equals to 3.01 electron volt. So this energy, now sodium work function is less than 3.01 electron volt, potassium is also less, calcium and molybdenum is more. So we can say that sodium and potassium, only sodium and potassium will show photoelectric emission, and calcium and molybdenum will not show photoelectric emission. That is all for this question. Keep watching my other videos for more challenging questions and do subscribe my channel.